I really don't know what it is, but there's always something for me to watch these grinder shredder videos, whether it's plastic pieces or engine parts or whatever, glass, aluminum cans, propane tanks. Let's see what this one has to offer. Engine block. And the comical part for me is I always like to see what part of the material gets snagged first and gets sucked into the grinder. You know, whether it's a corner of something or the edge of something goes and gets sucked right into the teeth. Well, there's the alternator. Say later. Part of the transmission. Oh, shattered it. Oh, now we get to see the backside debris. Oh, some type of a tank here. Oh, yeah, once them teeth catch that, that's gonna just be... I'm gonna go in there like it's not even there. Catches one little corner and sucks it right in. Oh, motorbike. Oh, grab that tire. Whee! Doesn't stand a chance. Oh, yeah. Twisting those bars almost like they're not there. Crunch and munch. Another motorcycle, yeah, catches the front tire and sucks it right in. Oh, yeah. Grabs a piece of that A-frame. Right in. Look at that. Not even a hesitation. Doing a lot of bikes today. Ah, yeah. Gone. Gonzo. One little piece gets sucked in and then just the whole thing just gets obliterated. Oh, the music's kind of cool. Ah, yeah. Getting sucked in like a paper shredder. Don't put your finger in there. Oh, more bikes. Well, there goes our music. I'd actually rather hear the shredder, personally. Oh, right through. Yeah, sometimes the brittle pieces snap off and fly out, too. Seen that before.
Here's one thing you need to do before you buy anything online. Don't spend another dime on Amazon until you watch this first.
Watch this. I can show you how to get the sweetest deals online.
Don't buy on anything on Amazon until you see this.